Hello everyone, my name is Himanshu Tiwari, and today guys I'm going to talk about how to be great at programming and coding. Well, programming and coding is something which is really important in today's world. Be like you are a person who doesn't know programming and coding and don't know how internet works. It's really, it's really a lame or you can say an awkward thing right now. You should know how internet works, and if you know how internet works, you're excited how things go on. You should be learning about programming and coding. So let's just begin on this journey how to be good at programming and coding. So open up your books and copies and just start writing the points. Step 1, learn a language. That's an important point. Don't ask me which language, but basically learn a language. Because to be good in programming, you should learn few languages, some few programming languages. There are various programming languages. If you're new to programming, there are various programming languages like C++, C, Java, Python, whatever you want. Just go and explore and learn, because that's what important point is. You have to explore regularly. You know what? Programming is all about exploring new things, all about learning new topics regularly. So just go and find yourself a perfect language. You will be shown various options like Python, Java, JavaScript, C, C++, and you will be confused by which language should I begin. But you all have to do is choose a language, any of them. I personally believe that any of the language will work for you. Just choose a language like I have chosen C++. So you can choose C++, you can choose Python, you can choose C. Go ahead and choose a language and just start programming. Second step is data structures and algorithm. Yes, it's second step. Most people make data structure and algorithm the last step, but according to me, it's the second step. After learning the syntax, but when I say learn a language, I totally mean that learn the syntax of the language. You know how you can just write that language. I just went on my PC and just write it down. That's how you learn a language. Just learn a language, just learn a syntax, and then jump on to data structures and algorithm. So they are not easy at first, but hook to it. That's an important point. Learn data structures and algorithm. Learn searching, sorting, hashing, linked list, queues, and all that. Learn everything. Learn how you can program them. Just go on tutorials, find them. They are a lot. You have to learn a lot, and that's for sure. But when you find it interesting, you will be hooked to it. Just go on Google data structures and algorithm, and you will find different things like different searching techniques, different sorting techniques, merge sort, quick sort, and all that, and just stick to it. It will be hard at first, but it will be it will be more familiar when you just learned searching and sorting, and then you went on to hashing and then linked list. Just give yourself a route. Like I went on my GitHub profile and just searched data structure. When I search data structure, there are 1000 plus codes, repositories, commits, issues. Just go on GitHub. It's an open source world for you, for developers. Just go search whatever you want, anything you want. Just go and search, and you will find people working on it. Just search bar, just go and scroll and scroll and scroll, and you will see what people actually do. Just check this. People are writing code related to data structures. They are solving programs. Learn how they are solving the programs, and then not just just see what they are doing. Just try to work on it. If you're copying at first, no issues, man. Just copy them at first, and then learn how they are programming. That's important. Third thing, which I basically believe, is participate in coding competition. You know what? You will lose it first. And participating in coding competition is not an easy task. When I started participating in coding competition, I lost all of them. Even now, also I lose in various competitive coding competitions or any other competitions. Just give yourself a chance. Learn new things. If you are learning new things regularly and you then participating after completing data structures, if you are going to participate in different coding competitions, you will find yourself building logic. You will start building logic. What problems can be solved by using this technique or this sorting algorithm or this hashing technique? Where is it useful? Because learning coding is is easy, somewhere easy. But when you go on and build some logic, how to solve real world problems, then it's the important thing. Then it's something which you should more focus on. Go and learn. When I started, I still remember when I started coding, competitive codings, and participating in competition. I used to, think that I learned data structure algorithm. I even learned how to write code. I even solved some problems. But why am I not winning any competition? What it takes, even when I, just go on and wonder where are you lagging? Just go and search. You will find things. Okay, so that's what you need to do. And these are the top coding competitions I showed you. Go and search about it, learn about them. Google Code Jam, ACM, IPC, Code Chef, Sphere Online Judge. Just these are the 10 top coding competitions worldwide. You can learn about them and just participate. At first, you will lose for sure. It's damn sure you are going to lose it at first, but that's what the that's what the best part. It's just another adrenaline rush inside you. So that's amazing. That's amazing. The feeling is amazing when you win that. When you start getting things, when you start understanding things, then that feeling is something that's out of the world. I can just explain that. Fourth point is explore other languages and ways. All you need to do is search and learn. Programming is more about searching than about learning, because when you search then you learn. Just go ahead and search on Google, go ahead and search on your search engines, and just start learning new things, start learning other languages. Because when you have learned a language and when you have learned data structure and you're also participating in different competitions, then you should move on and learn new things. That's the important point. You should move on and learn new things, and also you should learn how things can be done. I mean, I have learned a way. I have made my way of solving a problem. But when I see my colleagues doing it more in a more better and efficient way, because competitive programming, or you can say the programming and coding, is all about complexity, time complexity, space complexity. It's all about making your code more, more easy for compilers to execute, and easy for interpreters to understand. And also it should take less time to compile and execute. So learn new ways of making your program more effective and more efficient. Regularly go and search, go and learn. That's what the important point is. At first you will find it difficult because there are a lot of things to learn. Just went on a computer, just searched, and then there's a term you don't know, just you clicked on it. Then there is another term, you clicked on it, you clicked on it, you clicked on it. You know, you just keep on clicking things and just keep on knowing new terms and new terms and new terms. But the point is that you are actually gaining something. Sooner or later you will start getting hooked to it. Just bring yourself a copy and then start coding, because that's what the point is. Yeah, find yourself a new way of doing things, because when you will find a new way of doing that thing, then that's the best part. Let's move on to the fifth one, because I found a way to show you the fifth one. That's the building projects. Yeah, follow the step from 1 to 4. I mean, people say when you start learning languages, and then you learn about data structures and algorithm, then you learn about how other languages can be embedded into another language, then you make projects. But you know what, according to my experience, according to my you can say that according to my way of learning, I have learned that building projects side by side while coding and programming is something that will make you out of the box. Just go while you're learning any syntax. If you're learning a new syntax, just go on the text editor, type it, learn how to how to make that look amazing, how to make it fast. Learn about that, make the project, and that's it. Place it on the GitHub. That's easy. That's really easy. Start thinking, start learning, start thinking which thing is important for you, because making a project at first, the first project you are going to make is really amazing for you. It should be connected to you. That's the point. It should be connected to you. It should be about yourself. If it's about you, then you are going to hook to it. You have learned 4 to 5 languages by now, but the point is you're not making projects. Start assembling them. Start making a project which you can relate to and find a passion in it. Like people just ask me that what type of project should I do? I mean, uh, should I copy other projects or should I learn just go and search on GitHub projects, C++ projects or Java projects or Python projects or JavaScript projects and just see what other people did and try copying that. You can do that. I don't have any issue. You can do that. But just like I learn singing songs and I love like listening songs. So what I did is made my music player. I made my music player using JavaScript, HTML, CSS, simple, smooth, that one, and just used it. That's how it should be. You know what you love, and if you make a project on that topic, will be more more efficient for you guys. So just find what you love and just go and build projects. Okay, and build projects according like if you have learned something, then make a project about it. People say that I have learned a new syntax in C++, then should I make a project on it? No. I mean, if you have learned some junk or chunk of codes, then just make a project on it. That's it. Bring yourself new taste. This is the end, guys. These are the 5 points you should consider while learning new programming language, because there should be a step by step approach while you learn a programming language, while you learn coding. So see you later, guys. Thank you for joining.